one of the things I always say is, especially when in a room where there's policymakers or decision makers, is always think about who's not at the table. The refugee immigrant voices, the LGBTQ communities, the indigenous voices, people with disabilities, so all of these voices need to be represented. Refugee 613 is a local organization based in Ottawa, and we work on refugee integration in our community to find best practices to welcome refugees, but also to inspire people and educate people on what the refugee journey is like. As a Syrian, many family members are refugees right now, and so my goal is making sure that they get the support they need and are able to thrive to their full potential. I think what's really powerful about the next generations is that they have so many more tools than I did when I was at that age. There's so many taboos and there's so many issues that we don't talk about, and I think the next generation is talking about them from a young age, which is very empowering.